The junction between two air pipes is shown below, drawn to a scale of 3 to 1. Normally I look for a circle, I break it up into 12. I'm going to use those to draw lines on the surface of the round cylindrical pipe. So I'm just going to project the generators down. So number 3 is on the outside, number 2, I'm now going to look at drawing the end elevation. Again, we've got a centre line here and a centre line there. There's our abatement line. I'm going to draw the square pipe along. I want to number these as well, but the number would be confused with those. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to letter them A, B, C, D. So line A, line B, comma D, and C. I'm going to draw this interpenetration between there and there first. Point A, 12 meets right on that point, and 12 that's line 12. Line 12. So on that point there, and we have that point. So what we've done is we've drawn one curve there. Now, the square prism going through goes through the centre line. So that surface and that surface will line up perfectly. So by drawing that curve there, we've also drawn the back one. So now what we're going to look at the bottom surface here. Project from the top ones down. So we're looking at on the generator, there's line 3. So line 3 is that edge. So it goes from there and it comes out there. So that point there, the point right beside it, and that's the bottom one. Just do some lining in. Use this one as a guide. So, now we have a cylinder and a square prism through it. We'll now ask for surface developments, half a surface development of the square pipe and a half surface of the round pipe. We'll draw the square one first, and we're looking at the surface development A, B, C. I'm drawing a line to start. I'm going to draw a height line A. There's going to be another one B, another one C. We're looking for the true distance between those corners there. And we're looking at an end elevation here, we're looking at the front elevation here, but we're looking straight into the end of that. So that's the true shape, so we can pick up those sizes and use them directly. So A to B, A to B, B to C, B to C. Now the length of that is broken, so we can just draw a line there. I'm going to draw a centre line on it just to make my life easier to cut down the work. I'm drawing the centre line, and what I'm looking for now is I'm going to draw that slope from there sloping down to there, and I'm going to pick up those points. But I know that's sloping, so that's not a true size. So the true distance between the lines from there to there is down the slope A towards B. So I set my compass at A, and I'm going down the slope to that line there. So from A on the centre line, so it's A towards B. So that is where line 1 is. So point 1 is on that line somewhere. We can pick up point 1 out from the centre is point 1. Point 2 is from there down. Line 2 is there somewhere along to where it cuts it. Point 2 and point 3 is down there, from there, from A. And we know that point is on the centre line. So that's on the centre line. A is cut along there. The distance out from A to point 12 is there. So what we've got is a curve from there to there. So all I'm going to do is just project across that. I'm going to swing around. What we've now got to do is we've got our curve on BC. On BC. But the whole thing is symmetrical. It's got two centres of symmetry. So this curve on BC is going to be a mirror image of that one. So again, we can do by just projecting across. This line here would become a fold line. So that's where it's creased. And those would be firm lines. And that is development of the square side. What we're asked for now is the surface development of the cylinder going in. You only ask for half of it, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to set a reference line up to give a fixed datum point somewhere about here. And I'm going to just treat that as a cylinder cut with a 45-degree line and a 45-degree line. I'm going to draw it up here. I'm going to draw a datum line to start with. So that line there is that line there. We're only asked for half of the development, so I'm just going to use the same half. So I'm going to do the half here. So we start at point 12, but we're talking on the cylinder this time. So point 12, and the distance between 12 and 1, we're looking straight down on it there, so we can actually pick up that distance from the drawing there. So 1 to 2, so 12 to 1 is there, so there's 12 to 1. Line 12, the generator from this datum that I've drawn is to there. So I'm going to pick up that height, again with the compass, from my datum. So line 12 is down to there. Line 1, datum down to where that cuts. And along the bottom. Again, that could be a break line. It doesn't really matter. That's the development of that half of the pipe coming in.